There's one more thing to mention, and that's the River LEa and a possible walk from the Olympic Park or towards the Olympic Park and the ExCEL area. It is possible, but it's quite difficult, and it's relevant because the ideas that are demonstrated at events such as BET gradually move to other places, and maybe Stratford's one of them, which you could discuss or observe along the River LEa. A walk is quite a good way of working out what's going on or thinking about things or bits of discussion. But really getting from the ExCEL area or the City Hall area round to where the River LEa joins the Thames or carries on, it's all very difficult. And I think part of that is because they're building a tunnel. So this is another sort of collab or discussion that's needed to find out when that's going to be sorted. I don't think it'll be this year, but at some point. At the moment, there's you go around the back of City Hall, and you're immediately on a building site. How that connects up with the tunnel or getting round towards it's just a complete set of mysteries, and even on the other side, how you get to the beginning of the River LEa from there's a bit where part of the loops that the river makes is like a nature reserve, and there's another bit that's a development, and then there's a lighthouse site. I have got to all these places, but it's not very straightforward. Canning Town Station, at the back of it, it looks as if there should be a footpath carrying on along the River LEa that joins up eventually with the area where City Hall is. So I'm hoping this sound will be recorded okay, and I'll try and work it into bits of, well, shorts are now up to 3 minutes, which is quite good, but if you're remixing, I think you get 3 seconds or 50 seconds or something. Not quite sure.